Did you know that on the driving test, the biggest cause of failure is observation at junctions? And part of that biggest failure, which has been the same for pretty much 20 years now, is people driving across crossroads without even recognizing that they're there. But if we're looking for the road markings, the double broken white lines, the triangles, we'll know there's one coming up before we actually get there. So when dealing with junctions, you've got to think, are there 4 Bs or a V? Buildings, bushes, brickwork, bends, or vehicles? Now, as you can see as we approach, we do have buildings and bushes. We do have brickwork, so we know it's a closed junction. So at this point, we can't see what's coming from either direction until we're actually right up at this white line. But even then, if you notice, our view is restricted on the left. You can't see what's coming past the car and how quickly as we look around to the right. This time, there's no vehicles there, but normally where those double yellow lines end, there are cars parked up to that point. So you can't even see what's coming down the road from this side. So are there buildings, bushes, brickwork? Yes. Do we have vehicles? Yes. So even if we come up to the line, look, we can't see what's coming from either direction. Because here the bushes are hiding everything. We've got a vehicle coming down now. Can you see that if you're still rolling up to the junction at this point and you look at this very point, you will look and go, oh, it's clear, there's nothing there. But we know for a fact there's a car at the side of that white car coming towards us. That's the importance of coming up to a closed junction, stopping, then taking time to look, assess, decide, and then act. And this is why this is part of the number one reason that people fail their driving test. Which again, we can't see till the last second. So what we have to do is peep and creep. So we can see a bit further down. We're looking back, round. We still can't see past that vehicle. So again, we come out into the middle. We start to turn. If anything's there, we would stop at this point. They could get past us. However, it is clear, so we're okay to carry on down. So all you can do in this case is peep and creep slowly out until we can see what's coming up the road, and then if it's still clear in all directions, we can go. Coming up to the same crossroads, but from this side, again, we've got the same issue of the wall and the traffic. This side, we've got brickwork and fencing, so we can't see. And even when we get to the line, it only just opens up at that point. So we can see in all 3 directions that we can go.